Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some awesome news about the Galaxy Note 9, and yes, it will be unveiled on August 9th in New York. So for my Note fans, save the date so you don't miss out on the event. Now, before we get started, let's talk about what are you upgrading to. Now, if you're not going to upgrade to the Galaxy Note 9 and you're thinking about getting the Galaxy Note 8, then you might want to start looking for deals now, because the sales for the Galaxy Note 8 are going to cease soon as the Galaxy Note 9 sales start. And that's simply because they don't want their sales for the Note 8 to eat up the sales of the Galaxy Note 9, which to me, it makes a lot of sense, okay? So with that being said, let's get off into some of the features and some of the specs that may come on the Galaxy Note 9. Now let's talk about the camera. Now the camera is supposed to shoot better in low light. They haven't gave no real concrete specs on what this camera is going to entail, but we are hearing that we're going to have an awesome camera. A little bit better than what we already have on the Galaxy Note 8, which is cool with me. I like shooting on the Galaxy Note 8. It shoots great quality, 4K. This thing is very nice. So it can only get better from here with this camera, but that's not what I'm excited about. What I'm excited about is this 4,000 milliamp hour battery that we're going to get on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, what I like about it is that they're saying that we can get 25 hours of playback with this thing so far as video watching is concerned, so I'm liking that. Now we're already getting a 3,300 milliamp hour battery on the Galaxy Note 8, which is already awesome. For some people, they're getting a day and a half, almost 2 days. For a heavy user like me, I go all day. That means that I'm on my smartphone all day, every day, right? So we're talking about 4,000 milliamp hour battery for a heavy user like me. So I may get a day and a half. For the average user, you're possibly going to get 2 whole days out of this thing, right? I can't wait till we get this phone. Now, the other thing that I heard about is that this S Pen is supposed to have Bluetooth capability, right? And for what? What is this gonna be connected to? What is it gonna do? Now, I've heard that it's supposed to have a microphone. Don't know how that's gonna be used. But the other thing they're talking about is that it may be able to unlock your smartphone somehow, some way. We can only wait to see what real specs are going to come with this S Pen, and that's another thing that I'm excited about. Now, supposedly we're going to get better lighting on the Galaxy Note 9. We're already getting great lighting on the Galaxy Note 8. So how much better can it get on the Galaxy Note 9? I just can't see it, right? I can't see it, but I'm waiting. I'm going to wait and see what Samsung is going to bring with this. Now, we're supposedly going to have a better look and always on display as well. Now, also, we're going to keep the SD card. Thank you, Samsung, for that one. And we supposedly are going to get 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of memory. Also, they're talking about giving us 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of memory, and or 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 memory. Now, listen, we don't know if we're getting 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, the 256 gigabytes of memory, that I would love to have on the Galaxy Note 9. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Now, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know, are you going to upgrade to the Galaxy Note 9, or are you upgrading to the Galaxy Note 8, or are you just going to simply keep your Galaxy Note 8? And let me know, what feature are you most excited about? Okay, now just know that we're not going to have no real hardware changes either. The only thing that's really going to change on the Galaxy Note 9 so far as hardware is concerned is the placement of the fingerprint scanner. So it's going to kind of look like the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus somewhat. It's going to retain some of the look of the Galaxy Note 8, but it's going to be slightly different. I'm liking it. I don't think it's a bad look. I'm going to upgrade. But hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on the smartphone. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Peace out.